Good evening, students. Today, let us see chapter number 3, data handling. Already in lower classes, we have learned about collection of data and organization of data. Let us understand more about through the story.
Dadajan. Dadajan is a true believer of healthy eating. That's why he decided to set up a fruit shop in Asif's school.
How will you decide which fruits you are going to sell?
I need to know which fruits students like most. It looks like we will have to collect data.
Data? What is that?
Data is a collection of numbers about a specific topic or subject.
Oh, I see. So here, data is the information about the types of fruit each student in school likes the most.
Exactly. And to get this data, we need to do data collection. Data collection refers to the methods used to collect data from different sources for a purpose. Asif, can you help me with this?
Asif asks all the students in school what their favorite fruit is. Each student can only select one fruit of their choice from apples, oranges, pears, and bananas. After asking all the students, Asif presents the gathered information to Dadajan.
Dadajan, we asked all the students for their choice of fruit, and here are the results of our survey.
Good job, Asif. This data is ungrouped, and to make it usable, we need to group it.
What is ungrouped data, Dadajan? And why do we have to group it?
Ungrouped data is data that is not grouped into classes or groups. It is difficult to make sense of data or to make it useful if it is ungrouped. To make your gathered data useful, we have to organize it into groups or classes. Let's see how.
If we count the number of students who say they like apples, we can see they are 28. Let's write that down here. Similarly, 3 students chose oranges, 25 chose bananas, and 2 chose pears.
Do you see this table? We just grouped our data.
Group data is data that has been arranged into groups or classes. Group data makes it much easier to make sense of our data. This group data helps us to know the number of students who like each type of fruit. Now, Dadajan knows that he will keep apples and bananas in his fruit shop, but not oranges and pears because not enough students like them. Let's summarize. Data can be defined as a collection of numbers about a specific topic or subject. Data collection refers to the methods used to collect data from different sources for a particular purpose. Ungrouped data is data that is not grouped into classes or groups. It is also called raw data. Group data is data that is organized into groups and classes and can be used for decision.
Now, let us see how to find the arithmetic mean, range, mode, and median.
The mean is just the average of the number and it's easy to calculate. Basically, mean is equal to the sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. Let us calculate the mean of these numbers. Add up the numbers first. The sum of these numbers is 60. There are total 5 numbers. So the mean is equal to 60 divided by 5, which equals 12. Therefore, the mean of the above numbers is 12. Rohit is an intelligent and very studious boy in the class. He gave his maths test 7 times to improve his marks. The data shown here is displaying the marks scored by Rohit. Can you calculate the mean test marks of Rohit? Let us first add up the marks, and the sum is 300. We know he gave maths test 7 times. So the mean marks of Rohit are equal to 300 divided by 7, which is equal to 42.86. The range of a set of data is the difference between the highest and lowest values in the set. To find the range, first order the data from least to greatest. Then subtract the smallest value from the largest value in the set. So children, now you can also find the range of any set of data. 5 participants completed their swimming race. Can we calculate the range of swimming time from this data? Yes, it's simple. First, order the data from least to greatest. Now subtract the least value of time from the highest. So the range of swimming time is 3.9 minutes. The mode is simply the number which appears most often. See this example. We have few numbers here. How can we find out the mode? To find the mode, we need to first put the numbers in order, then count how many of each number. Now, see which numbers appear most often. In this case, 8 appears 2 times, so the mode is 8. Look at this data. It shows the height of 25 children in a class. Let us find out the mode of their heights. It's quite easy. First, put the numbers in order and put it in a tabular form. Then count how many of each number. See, 163 appears 9 times, so the mode of the children's height is 163. Median is the value which lies in the middle of a group of numbers that have been arranged in order by size. Let us find the median of these numbers. Firstly, we need to put these numbers either in ascending order or descending order. You can see the middle number is 12. It has 3 numbers to its right and 3 numbers to its left, so the median is 12. The Goenka family has 5 children, aged 9, 12, 5, 18 and 15. What is the age of the middle child? First of all, we should order the children's ages from least to greatest. Definitely, the age of the middle child is the middlemost number in the data set, which is 12. Likewise, you can find out the median of various data.
I hope you have understood how to find the arithmetic mean. Mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. We need to add all the given data and divided by number of data. Good, very good. Now we will move to range. Here we need to find the difference between the highest and lowest observation. Need to find the highest value in the data and the lowest value in the data. Need to find the difference between them. That is range. Next one is mode. Mode means the mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. That occurs most often. Here, how many times the number 2 is there? 4 times. Comparing to other numbers, 2 is 4 times we have. So, here mode is number 2. Next, median. What is median? After arranging the given data into ascending order, we need to find the middle value in this data. That middle value of this data is called median. Exercise 3.1. First sum is an activity for you. Do it in a A4 sheet. find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. So you need to collect 10 students height. You need to collect 10 students height. Form a tabular column. Write the name of the student and height of the student. Organize the data. Find the highest value and lowest value and find the range. Find the mean of that data, median of the data and mode of the data. This is an homework for you, activity for you. Do it in a A4 sheet. Neatly write your name and give the assessment. This will be included in the internal assessment. Second one also homework for you. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in the tabular column, tabular form. Okay, this is the given data. You need to write it in the tabular column, organize it, arrange it, and find the highest value in the given data. That is first question, which number is the highest? Find the highest value. Second question, which number is the lowest in the given data, which is the lowest number? What is the range of the data? So range means what? This highest value minus lowest value. So range of the data. Find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means adding all the data, given data, count how many data is given, divide by that number. So find the highest, lowest, range and mean. So this is homework for you. Thank you students. We'll meet in the next session.